Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve brand loyalty with Pinterest, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve brand loyalty with Pinterest, start by creating a business account. Reflect your brand's identity in your profile, including your logo and a compelling bio. Next, develop a content strategy focused on visual storytelling. Identify your target audience and understand their interests and preferences. Create high-quality, eye-catching images that showcase your products or services. Use vertical images that fit Pinterest's optimal dimensions for better engagement. Design pins that are not just promotional but also inspirational or educational. Incorporate keywords into your pin descriptions to enhance searchability. Leverage Pinterest's Rich Pins feature to provide more context about your products. Regularly update your boards to keep your content fresh and relevant. Organize your boards by themes, creating a cohesive experience for viewers. Pin consistently to maintain visibility and audience engagement. Engage with the Pinterest community by commenting on and repinning others' content. Monitor analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on performance metrics and audience feedback. Create seasonal boards that align with upcoming trends or holidays. Utilize Pinterest ads to reach a broader audience and drive targeted traffic. Encourage user-generated content by inviting customers to share their experiences. Create Pinterest contests or giveaways to foster interaction and excitement. Establish partnerships with influencers to tap into new audiences. Remember to cultivate a brand voice that resonates through your pins. Track customer interactions on Pinterest to gain insights into brand perception. Focus on building a community around shared interests related to your brand. Consistently remind followers of your brand's values and mission. Nurture relationships with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Foster a sense of belonging and loyalty by showcasing customer stories. Utilize collaborative boards to involve customers and expand your reach. Finally, always iterate and evolve your approach based on changing trends and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.